In 3 minutes it looks like this. I'm such a mess. The creepy door. Nothing. I'm opening the creepy door. Yesterday I didn't film, but we had a breakfast better than that too.
Oh my god, yes.
With bacon, eggs,
Yes.
and
Ginger slices.
yeah, I forgot the name.
Applesauce.
Applesauce.
That was good.
Very good. And today is free breakfast. So super. Ooh.
Yeah. We locked us out, then we remembered we had the keys, and then we couldn't give the keys back. And now we left them in the kitchen and we weren't supposed to enter the kitchen anyway. Let's go.
Let's find the jokers.
Yes.
At least, what? Don't find it, but. In the middle of nowhere again. And there is, because we want to go to the southern point of New Zealand. Apparently it's here. It's 20-minute walk. But nowhere. I mean, it's written 20-minute walk and we have this. Well, there is no footpath, nothing, so I think we're gonna follow the people. This morning we failed the geocache. We didn't find it in Bluff, but we found one in at the slope point.
Slope point.
Slope point.
Bügelperlen!
And there is some toys, but we don't have toys to let it here. Ooh, we shouldn't film. What is it?
I always done that as a child. Always. That was my
This. Oh yeah, this. Yeah, but not this specific shape.
No, I didn't make a running rainbow.
Ta-da! The wooden defense. So we walked, and then we're gonna die. Bah. Well, that's the end of New Zealand. Let's go. Because yesterday it was not really the end of New Zealand, it was the most southern city, like town of New Zealand. But here is like the most southern point of New Zealand. What is that? Yeah, we can really die on here. It's impressive. It's no man's land again. Oh, we're closer to the South Pole than the equator. So we're closer to the South Pole than home, but that was obvious. Southernmost point of the South Island of New Zealand. Ba ba bam!
Wow. Walked, nearly died. Lost 3 toes, but here we are.
Yeah, it's not that bad.
No. Take a picture and then we'll go again.
It's the desert and the sea, but nice. And there is someone, we're not alone, eh? Yeah, New Zealand, eh?
What the hell? How did you walk up here?
No, this right foot on this and then left on there.
Right foot on this, that just broke off my base. Nice.
Yeah, but...
Shit, now I know I'm way too much.
Whoa! It's the other way!
Hang on.
Yeah.
No. I don't want to fall.
I didn't.
Yeah, but it didn't move at you.
No, because I went this way, yeah.
trust this one.
I don't know, should I carry you up?
No, but I mean I hit my sheet on that stupid thing. Man, I will... Yeah, thank you.
Yay!
Now I know I have to lose weight, eh?
No, come on, you where you were. Let me.
Don't touch it.
How am I not touch it?
I will fall, eh?
Well, you won't have the same picture. Are you a frog or what?
That made me laugh because it's not stand up. Yeah, concentrating myself because hey, yo, no, don't touch me, go away.
No, don't give it up.
No, no. It's fine. Just don't make me laugh.
Yeah, but not 3 hours. I need to go to the toilet, my
Yeah,
friend.
don't make me laugh because then I will fall.
Goodness. Oh, you did it.
I did it. Woo! Nice.
Fine. You got something. Oh. Don't know. McLean Falls. Let's go. Thank you for this warning. So Lexi, remember to lock the car. I love this bus. I want to live in that bus.
I don't like it when it's wet and cold. Oh, sorry.
When what?
When it's wet and cold.
Yeah, no. Never. It's getting louder and louder. So we're almost there.
No stopping.
Woo! No stopping, my friend. We don't want to die. We can't stop because rocks are falling. Ah. That was worse till you come here. Yeah, she's gonna die, yeah? Woo! Wow. What was that? Oh my god! I saw it, you know, the bubble in the
Yes.
plastic.
No.
No,
Don't
it's a cucumber.
have explosive stuff with me. Or do I?
Bye. No, I need food.
What?
We don't see. It's a waterfall day. Oh, waterfall, wonderful. Anyway, Madai Falls walk. Let's go. And again, we are walking up.
Yes. Why is walking up more faster than walking straight?
Oh no. Because we are
I
not
feel
fit.
dumb now, but I don't know either.
We don't see. Yeah, it looks like we don't go up. But we do. Those are the Matai Falls, I think.
Nice.
We'll see them later. Horseshoe Fall. Yeah, this is a strange name, but okay. Wow! Mamma mia! This is scary.
Yeah. But nice.
Nice! Fresh and cold and nice!
Fresh and cold and nice.
Because 2 waterfalls was not enough. Here is the 3rd one! Ta-da!
And we will make it to 4, eh?
Yay! Wow!
That's nice.
It's big! Woo! Toot-toot-toot-toot-toot-toot-toot. And it's clear.
Yeah.
Yeah, more or less. And because 3 waterfalls was not enough.
Sorry?
Because 3 waterfalls were not enough. Let's see the
Let's make
4th
it 4.
one. And it's Purakaunui.
I hope I can remember all those. I don't even know the names. Horsefall, waterfalls.
Maglin, and then Matai, and Horseshoe,
Horseshoe? Horsefall. Horse, right. I don't know.
Horseshoe,
Something like
Horseshoe Wall Falls.
What the hell is a horseshoe?
Or maybe I can't read. We'll see. Anyway,
Maybe I can't remember.
this one is a short walk, so we're happy. I mean,
Yeah.
I am.
Oh, me too.
Still in the.
Yeah, we walked yesterday.
Yeah.
Again, a lot more than we expected.
Yeah, yesterday too. Hey, that's the only thing we have to do. And you say that to Palace. Like, yeah, it's cheap and that's the only things to do.
Yeah, that's the reason why I said it, because that's what we're doing.
That's hurting me. Anyway, that's a beautiful jungle again. Woohoo! And it's flat. I like it.
And there are toilets.
Yay!
We need to go before. Yeah?
Let's make a slide.
This will be so much fun. Hallelujah.
Hallelujah!
Hallelujah.
Ba-da-da-da-da-da-da. Yoo. Wow! Mamma mia! Che bello! A gulum. Limbo! Na-na-na-na-na-na-na. Tiki! Oh, this is annoying. I look like an Arias anyway. Oh, sorry, I just cut it. Ah, I know it's bad. Weird sky. It's only 3 p.m. and it looks like this. Scary. Well, we are in Balkulta, something like this. South Otago. And this is our hotel. Well, I don't really like the city, it's a bit weird.
On this heater.
Well, we have a mirror. Maybe the only beautiful thing is gonna be us in the mirror. Oh, we have two mirrors. Fine, and this beautiful view. And this bed. Ta-da! We're gonna have fancy dinner. Well, it doesn't look good like this. Aubergine pizza. Ta-da! That's a before. We're gonna do it in the microwave because people are using the oven. Ta-da! Let's eat. Oh, that's a before and after. Fine.
Can I just take one?
Yeah. Before.